Well, here we go, y'all. Got me one of these little doodads right here. See what this Janko do, as my boy Cowboy Moose will be saying. This is Janko. I don't know if any of y'all use this yet or have one. We finna see what it do right now. Let's see if we can open this thing up. I don't even know if it's gonna be any better. I know it's gonna be a lot better from holding my damn phone all the time, like I'm doing now. Y'all see what I was working with, what I made last time. Check this sucker out. That's what this what I've been recording all the videos y'all see me with. Y'all know what this is. This is the thing to hold the wrenches. This is an old tripod for my telescope. Hey, that thing been working though, man. Yeah. And that's Onyx. Here we go. Let's open this thing up. See what it do real quick. It wasn't bad. I think it was $79 or something like that. I needed one, man. I got tired of that. Holding my phone. Everything I do. See? Now I gotta pop you up on my coffee cup. Let's see what this thing do. Right here. Let's get y'all over here. Check it out. Smooth Q3. I don't know if this thing take batteries or is it charge? Okay, yeah, it charges. Let's see. Damn technology, y'all. This thing look a little fancy. Now, see how I use this thing. Okay, so it won't work until you. Let me see. I'm gonna put y'all down again. So this thing loosen. Okay, so that's how you. That's when it cuts the power on, I guess. Why is it facing that direction now? Okay. Oh, cool. It did come with little tripod legs, y'all. Check that out. It's my first unboxing video. Oh, yeah, there we go. We shitting in tall cotton now, y'all. Yo, bam. Well, that thing fancy. Oh, you fancy now, huh? All right, now how's it work? I see a light on that sucker already. Let's see. Power. I don't see no juice, y'all. No juice assist. Damn, usually you get something, it got a little power to them, or you ain't got no power. Unless you gotta hold that thing. I heard a click. Let's just say. Oh, this little Janko got a light on it and everything. Let's see. Service card. I don't know what this is. That must be the get down on it. How you use it. I won't read none of that shit. Smooth Q3.